Hey there, Barbecue Pit Life Nation. Today we're doing ribeyes. I'm gonna get some coffee, we're gonna hit the store, and we're gonna get this thing fired up. You ready? Let's go. All right. We get our coffee. Let's go shopping. So we got our steaks. So what we're going to do today is a salt brine, no more than 10 to 15 minutes. Coat them good. So all I do is just lay them on a bed of salt, coat them real good. 15 minutes will pass and we will continue. Done with the brining. Look at that. It's literally ready to fall apart. If I'd done any more than 10 minutes, it would have fell apart in my hands. All right, so we're going to use Twisted Q, Bent Burger Seasoning, and another one of my favorites, Cosmo's Honey Chipotle Killer Bee. Not getting paid for any of these to even mention them to you. They're just my favorites.